It contains OH minus sign. NaOH is the sodium hydroxide. This is HCl, hydrochloric acid. We are testing the pH paper. pH paper is test model. This is a hydrochloric acid. It contains which are HCl ions. Let us test the litmus paper. We are taking the blue litmus paper. When it is dipped in the acid solution, it turns into red color. Let us see. Dipped in the base. See, in base solutions, the red litmus paper turns into blue color.